flicking on the rubber outside. And this one you had about that far off the ground.
Come on, Chris.
Yeah. Yeah. What have you got, mate? That much? Yeah, that much. Yeah. I'm standing on it. Look, if you want me to go, look.
Fuck, I can't even get down there now.
It's all good now anyway. It's not that deep, but yeah. Keep going. Now, he's your mate, so if he breaks his car, then you have to sort of console him.
He said, yeah, it's his risk. I'm saying on camera, if he decides to break it, it's his fault.
Oh, you go back down and talk to the first, you're the full of all the expert now.